I'll support you no matter what. Until it comes to me being trans, why don't you tell me anything? Because you judge me, you're weird, says someone who sexualized their animals and own brother. Not true, you tried to kiss your own brother. You say that you kiss your dog's private part. Why are you attached to that phone? Because I find comfort with people online in my own family. I believe in God. God wouldn't like you saying trans people should kill themselves. My family is not normal and never will be.